Guys, another cat video, but I mean another animal video. But the thing is that there's a cat in our house. Not normal, but came from school, so I spotted this cat. Didn't really let it inside the house until my dad came. But yeah, we just gave it some milk. Yeah, that's about it. I called 311 and see if they had anybody that had a missing cat, but there's really nobody at the moment. Oh well. We covered up the birdie cage with blankets, so the cat doesn't really suspect that the bird's there. Oh my gosh. Alright, so heads up, we put the cat in the laundry room because it's a small confined space. We don't want him to go everywhere because he might poop and the poop might stink a lot. And we don't want to be responsible cleaning a poop off a carpet because that's where the cat's been like walking around. So we just moved it to the laundry room. Yeah, it's just chilling there. We put the milk, give him milk, put a milk bin inside the laundry room, give him some roti or chapati, how you guys might know of, what you guys might know of. Yeah, so we'll just keep it there. Yeah, funny thing is my dad said that the cat's been outside all morning until now, so yeah, that kind of sucks. I thought that he escaped, he was outside for like a bit of time, right? But nope, he was out there for a long time, so I would have assumed that he would be dead, because I've seen animals that died. I've witnessed animals that have died in cold weather. Not like this, but someplace else. So yeah, I would have expected that cat wouldn't be able to survive any longer, but yeah, for now it's fine. Honestly, whoever the owners were, I just left them out there, are really, really careless. Like, you guys suck. But at least it's good now. Later on, we'll pretty much just like take it to Humane Society. That's the place we've got our budgies, and that's the place that might just like take the cat as well. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, so heads up. Oh, whoops. Gotta close the secret closets. Alright, so what's happening is my dad and my sister, they're gonna go to YMCA. They have like swimming and stuff. So the cat's gonna be in the laundry room for now. I'm also gonna be here. Also, the thing is that since we have budgies and stuff, we have to like cover the cage up whenever the cat's around. But if the cat's in the laundry room, we can just like let it out. For now, that yeah, man, I usually just keep one of my budgies in my room. Here he is right now. Say hi, budgie. Say hi. Come on. Alright, so yeah, he's okay here, but I really can't let the birds out when the cat's outside because we're not being stereotypical, but they could probably eat birds as well. So yeah, that's to that. Oh yeah, about that story I had about that another animal dying in the cold. What happened is I used to go to India, right? I mean, I went to India this one time, and this one night I saw this like puppy. It was out in the cold. It's really not that cold in India, but they're not used to the cold. So that one night, the puppy was like outside the door, and it fell asleep. Next morning, it was dead. It's because it was shivering all night. My cousin tried to like keep him warm, but Grandpa didn't let him touch anything. But yeah, that's that guy died. But like, yeah, weather like this would be super cold, but I would have imagined that the cat wouldn't be that happy about the weather, or wouldn't be able to survive, but this one did, and I guess they're okay with winter. I mean, it lives in Canada, so it's like obviously used to it, but it has fur and stuff, so obviously, oh well. So, also, I'm allergic to cats. I'm really allergic to cats. The thing that happens is that my eyes water up. So that's that. If you saw my latest video, maybe not my latest video, one of my videos, it's where I pick up my we're gonna like one of our new budgies. I'm like playing with this white cat, and after that white cat incident, my eyes were like watering up all the time. It was just like it didn't stop, and it was really itchy. It was annoying. But time like this, I shouldn't really worry about cats too much. I mean, I like cats. Even if I have allergies, I'll still play with them. It's just a funny thing about me. So yeah. Anyways, we'll continue this later on. Alright, so nobody's at home. I'm the only one here. Besides the birds and the cats. So let's just check out what the cat's doing now. Secret door. I'm joking. No. The cat's just like in the back. Whoa! Okay, let's just interview the cats. So, Mr. Cat, how are you? Oh. Mr. Cat, how are you? I'm stuffy. Come here, let me like scratch. Let me crayon you. Why are you moving all the time? Stop moving, let me scratch. Let me cuddle with you. Why am I even here? Yeah, well, what happened was it was super cold. It was super duper cold. My owners left me. I don't like them. They just left me in the cold. I don't know what the heck is wrong with them. So, yeah. I've been outside for, since morning. That's about it. Okay, Mr. Cat. So, tell me about some of your backstories. Where did you grow up? Oh, well, I was, I don't know. I don't even know my own backstory. I don't even know my name. I don't even know why I'm speaking English. This is just weird. Really? Okay, that's interesting. So you want to pet my fur? You want to pet my fur? Huh? You want to pet my fur? You want to pet me? Please. Come here. Alright, fine. I'll let you, slide on my foot or whatever, just like all ordinary cats do. Oh well. Kitty! Kitty cat! Oh, not my pads are gonna hurt. Well guys, this is day 1 of the cat invasion. First symptoms are sneezing too much. Yeah. Level 2. So when I'm have a leaky nose, sucks. The last stage of allergies is my voice changes, plus my eye is red, if you can see that. Not so much on this side, but my right side a lot. So yeah. I could ask if this is hot or not. You decide. He must be pretty bored. I mean, I'm not assuming, I don't really know them's gender, whatever, I don't know. So, I mean, its gender, well. So yeah, I was just gonna sit back. I'll just give it a nice old pet. Oh yeah, you like that? Oh yeah. You horny? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's purring.